Access Floors On-Site was founded in 1997 in response to the needs of the FAA. And I noticed the FAA would buy a lot of panels because their en route flight facilities would wear the surfaces out very rapidly. The core material never really was violated, but the wear surface did what wear surfaces are wont to do, wear out. So I developed a business where instead of replacing the entire panel, we replace the wear surface. So we produce our own panels by putting new surfaces on new panels. We strip and resurface existing panels, which has got a very green element to it. And most recently, what we've developed is a lifting system, which is why I'm at the show here today. So usually there's a bank of servers, and lots of times these are all bolted together, so you want to pick them up all at once. You don't have to unbolt these things. And in order to do that, we can introduce as many shop cranes as we need to. So we developed a gantry crane system with aluminum beams that's scalable. In that I mean it in 12-foot dimensions. There's a shop crane, and then in between we suspend the equipment, and we were able to change that floor from the bottom to the top without any outage whatsoever of their equipment. The biggest we'd need to do is an array of 3, so that would give us 36 lineal feet, under which we can pick up 20 or so cabinets. Air delivery has been a big deal. So there are new products that are coming out that direct the air towards the cabinets. We're offering these products as well, and we offer perforated airflow panels. I call this AFO Air Force. So our Air Force consists of cast aluminum grates, perforated airflow panels, fan-driven airflow. We partner with hot-swappable to deliver these products to make our customers more efficient. Folks like Google and Facebook are building on the slab, which now creates opportunity for cable management above. So we're moving into that area as well. So we're going to begin offering a ceiling-based cable management system as well.